Hi, Brian from CarsAddiction.com, and today we're doing an unboxing for my Watanabe wheels. We've been waiting for these for 6 to 7 months. Watanabe needs about 3 to 4 months lead time when you order it, and then there's the sea shipping, and then there's the customs holding. So you can imagine how much I've been waiting for this day. Let's have a look. So this is my Project Z car. We got the wheels for this, and here they are. As everyone knows, the Datsun is a PCD of 4 holes and 114 of diameter. I went with the 16-inch wheels, 8.5 in the back and 8-inch at the front. These are the R-type 8-spoke Watanabe wheels, the classic ones. Now besides the wheels, we've got another box, a small box over there, filled with other goodies from Watanabe. We've got the Lug Nuts, center caps, badges, whatnot. We'll have that look after, but let's have a look at the wheels. Watanabe wheels are the wheels to have if you have a classic JDM car. And you cannot imagine how happy I am to receive these. I've been waiting for about 7 months for these. Obviously they're open because I've had to open them for customs. But let's have a look. I went for the optional cut clip and magnesium color. They're all optional. These, oh wow, no, that looks great. Have a look at that. I was saying that these come in 7 colors. The usual colors are gold or silver. I went for the magnesium color. Just have a look how amazing the finish is. I also went for the optional diamond cut rim. That's amazing. Now, these are the rear wheels. Cool. They're white at the back, and white in the middle, and amazing. Let's have a look at the back. So we got one rim out. It's out here in the open, so you can see this center is unfinished in just basic white coat. These are original Watanabe wheels, so if you have a second-hand set or dealing with a new set, make sure they look similar. We've got the logo over here. Okay, we have some inscribing over here. It's just covered with the powder coating, I'm guessing. Not sure if I can get it on the camera, but you could see that to the fingernails there's a texture to this diamond cut ring. This will look awesome on the Z. Just can't wait to get it on there. And this is the back of the wheel. So we've got, like I said, 16 by 8.5 inch. This is for the rear, and that's it. It's really raw at the back over here, really unfinished. Actually, I think I'll be doing some ceramic type of ceramic coating or something, because as it is, it will be really hard to keep clean if it's kept like this. But really happy. Let's have a look at the front wheels. We had a look at the back wheel. There's another wheel like it right on the bottom, right over there, exactly like it. Let's put that down. Let's go for the front wheel. And we have exactly the same thing. Same finish, same everything. Watanabe logo over there. Gloss white in the center and unfinished rear. These will just look amazing with the black Z. Can't wait to get them on. So, like I said, we've got the front wheel, rear wheel, and we'll have another box of Watanabe goodies right over here. So let's have a look of what else we got from Watanabe. All these parts are original from Watanabe, Japan. So we've got the center caps, a set of 4, original. We've got This seems to be the optic for the center album. Yes, it is. Hoping to stick this in the back of the car. Something nice to have. Put that inside here. What else we have? This, believe it or not, is included with every set of Watanabe wheels. It's basically a cloth where you basically use it in case you need to change the wheel or anything and not get your hands dirty. So there you go. To get these wheels we had a broker in between. Yep, this is the Falcon original face towel. Falcon is actually the manufacturer of Watanabe wheels. To get these wheels, we're located in Europe, so there's no actual agent. And to deal in Japan is a bit of hard because we don't know the language and we don't have an address in Japan. So we need to have a middle broker to get the stuff for us. Now, I wasn't sure on the center caps, so I just got two different styles. One doesn't fit, I'll sell the other. This is very heavy. It seems to be the Lug Nuts. Let's have a look. Yep, we've got a set of Watanabe Lug Nuts. Just have a look at that. Can you get a focus? Thank you. Ace. Set of Watanabe Lug Nuts. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, we've got the original Watanabe center valve caps. Sorry. Hopefully there's 1, 2. The third one's here. That's just awesome. That's great. Okay, and these are some more lug nuts. Yeah, I went with 2. I wasn't sure that they would provide lug nuts with the wheels, so I opted for actually these aftermarket ones. Not aftermarket, but Watanabe ones, but these are the standing still versions. I guess the ones we saw previously are the ones included originally with the wheels. So yeah, I got 2 sets. I guess I'll be selling a set to cover my cost. Keeping the black ones, we'll see. Let's see what else we have got here. Okay, some Watanabe wheel documentation. How to measure a wheel. I guess, what's the marking mean? VIA, we've seen that previously. JL, Japanese lightweight, I guess. Yeah, Japanese light alloy wheel, truck and bus. Comments on the below telling me what you know about these markings. If every wheel has them from Japan, and if they don't have them, I guess they're not original wheels. Some more documentation in Japanese from Watanabe. I guess how to take care of your wheel and what to and what not to do. This is just packing material, and what the hell is this? Let's see. Oh, okay. This should be okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, this was nice of them. They included a socket to remove the lug nuts, so that will actually fit into this one here. Cool. So I'm really happy with the purchase of my Watanabe wheels. They're gonna look awesome on the Z. Just can't wait to get it on that car. Hopefully I got the offsets right. If not, we'll try to make it fit. I'm not going with any over fenders. I like the classic look, and this car only has 20,000 kilometers, and has never had rust. It's been a garage clean, and I do not want to touch any body panel. So that's why I went with this offset and nothing extreme. Just to have a comparison between the front and the rear, let's have a side and by side look right over there. So that's the front, and there's a minor difference, I guess 0.5 of an inch or something. If we turn this around, okay, so we've got the front wheel, the lip over here, comes up to here, and hopefully we have a deeper dish, not by that much, but enough to offset the rear to the front. Hoping to get some, I guess we're going for 225s at the rear, 205s or 215s for the front. There you have it, Watanabe wheels directly from Japan, from Falcon. Really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I have many other parts I could show you. I wouldn't know what you want to see, so feel free to subscribe on my channel, like and comment, and let me know that you are watching CarsAddiction.com. Currently we're resto modding the Datsun Z. We have some, we're going to keep it with the classic lines and do some aftermarket parts there just to keep it, you know, modern slash classic. And yeah, so many parts we have coming for this. And that was the unboxing of Watanabe wheels, the biggest purchase yet for this build. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hi, it's me again. I forgot to mention that since these wheels have an uneven surface, I'm foreseeing that they will be accumulating a lot of dirt, which will be very hard to clean. If I zoom in right over here, you can see it's rough to the touch. They go with the minimal amount of paint possible to keep these wheels light, and they are light. But I've been recommended to use Swiss Wax. Here it is. Basically, this little bottle will serve all 4 wheels, and it should be applied after we mount the tires onto the wheel. You can find the link in the description below for Swiss Wax. Basically, it will protect the wheel against all the dirt, grit and grime, and keep the wheels looking great and clean.